Today on Get Some Garage, we're gonna do some science. So I got our glasses on and a lab coat. Traded that for this. Straight up trade. Yeah, I got this from. Maybe a little sketchy. We're gonna check and see if Lucas stop shift will slow down the leaks on this 91S10. I would have the bottle here with me, but my wife borrowed the truck and threw it away. So, I mean, it was trash. So I can't really falter on that, but I wish I just had the prop, because it'd just be right here, and I'd be like, hey, this is the bottle of Lucas stop shift, and I could show it to you, but I don't have that. So we just pretend it's here, and I'd be like, this is Lucas stop shift. It says stop leaks. But anyway, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I put that in the truck, and it's been sitting here leaking ever since. So today we're going to take this thing for a ride and test on it and see if that Lucas stop shift or leak fix, whatever, what is it called? I don't have the bottle. So this truck's been sitting here for a couple of weeks now since we put that Lucas stop shift in there. The bottle said it stops leaks, helps shifts. If you hear in the background, my dog is very angry at me in this get up and is barking at me from the window. We'll just get a shot at that. She does not like this. So yeah, she is very mad. So anyway, we'll test on that today. We'll get that, see how that Lucas stop shift works after it's been sitting here for a few weeks. Normally, if this truck's been sitting for a while, it's leaked out, and just okay, doesn't want to shift. Well, hold on, and go over here and let me go let the dog know that everything's okay. What? Come on. You want to be in the video? What? All right. We're back. Had to get my lab assistant, Ava. Sit. There's my lab assistant, Ava. She demanded to be in the video, so I had to go get her. So anyway, as I was saying, we're going to go back in time with the movie Magic, and you'll see when I put the bottle of Lucas stop shift in here, the problems that this truck was having, and you'll see all that with the movie Magic. And then we'll take it out today and see how it does. So stick around and let's go back in time. It's going to get heavy. Alright, we had no Rileys. I'm going to get some transmission stop leaks, see if we can get this transmission to shift better. It's already got one bottle in it, but it's still leaking pretty bad. Let's see if we can get a second bottle in there. Hanging as you can hear, it's having trouble shifting in the. There it goes, shifting in the from second to third. It's been a little iffy. And then again, they really don't want to shift in the overdrive in the fourth gear. You hear it kind of going back and forth. Downshift a lot, like right there. So now it's in third gear. See if I can get it go back into fourth. I'm gonna let up a little bit. I let all the way off. Give it some more gas. Still think it's in third right there. It's not wanting to shift it. Dropping the third gear. Fourth. It's not wanting to drop in the fourth gear at all. I think it just went in the fourth gear. Alright, so right now I'm in fourth gear. I barely got any gas, giving it any pedal right now. Oh, now downshifted again into third. So yeah, try to get a little bit of snake oil put in here. See if that Lucas, I don't know if it's snake oil, we'll find out. But anyway, get a little bit of Lucas oil treatment. To get a little bit of Lucas stop slip. It has one bottle in there right now. Maybe put a second bottle in there, see if that slows that leak, see if it stops leaks. So we do that and see what happens. Stuff is thick. Alright, so we got another bottle of this Lucas transmission fix in there. It says stops leaks, hardened shifting. So I had put a bottle in there about a week or so ago and figured I probably needed a second one. So we're putting that one in there. We'll see how long that lasts. I know I'll have good results going home. Still having a little hiccup there on that second to third shift. I don't know. I think this transmission might need a rebuild. We'll probably. What we got in the road here? Is that a dog? I thought that was a squirrel. It's the smallest dog. Looks like a dang squirrel with a coat. That's a damn dog. Still not 100%, but it's a lot better. Even though it's a wide open throttle there, it's a little bit better. It would have never done that before. That's why you live in the country, so you can test on them. Yeah, we'll check back. We'll check back in a couple weeks, or maybe next week, or whenever we have some more problems, and I'll let you know how that Lucas transmission fix did. So stay tuned. All right, let's see if we got the luck of the Irish today. Well, somebody had the heat on. I was wondering what that noise was. working on my wife's truck. So I'm actually surprised we're rolling. See how this first shift does. Well, that wasn't bad. That was a good first shift from first to second. So I'm already surprised here. It's a little rainy on this St. Patrick's Day. That was pretty good right there. My wife borrowed the truck about a week or so ago. Since we put that Lucas transmission fix in. I guess it's been 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, and I think a couple weeks ago she borrowed the truck to move a couch. Alright, first, second was good. Second to third, a little hiccup. Still pretty good. That's a lot better than it had been before. Knowing how long it set. Now this third to fourth is usually what's been the problem maker. Let's see how it goes. That's not even. Helps if you have it in fourth gear in the overdrive. So that might have been why she didn't want to shift there. Let's see. Still wanting to stay in third. I'm surprised, like, sometimes when it used to sit for less than a week and it would run out of fluid where you couldn't even back it up or go forward in the driveway. You'd have to put a cord in. But today, I just didn't do anything to it, just hopped in it, started it up, and we're driving. Seems to be driving fine right now. But I'm surprised. I thought I was going to get in here today and say, no, this isn't working. I'm fairly surprised. This thing has been leaking so bad. I don't know. I was expecting to get in here and just get in here and rev and just missing shifts and everything because it leaked out, but get in here and drive and do this well. I was like, not bad for the leaking, but yeah, I'm surprised it's doing this well. Let's test them here. Get a good ways away. First to second. Good. Second to third. Had to let up. I think that was second to fourth. That's second to third right there. Still in third gear. Fluid and it'll be shifting that third to fourth. But again, it's doing a whole lot better than it was before. Things definitely hasn't leaked out as much fluid as it used to. Second gear. Third gear, little slip. Keep this $300 truck going for a transmission out. I think maybe the luck of the Irish might be on our side today. Maybe I spoke to him soon. Maybe. Wasn't happy about that hill. Definitely gonna stop at the store to get a little bit, another bottle of fluid. All right, we stopped and put some transmission fluid in her. We'll see how she does on the way home. A difference there, shifting, I mean that's the third to fourth shift, just a little bit low on fuel, I mean a little bit low on transmission fluid. That's what was causing it not to shift in the fourth gear. Alright, we put that stop shift in, took it out for a drive. I did a lot better. I was actually surprised by that. Did have to put a little bit of transmission fluid in there, but for sitting 2 or 3 weeks and not moving it or doing anything, it's a whole lot better than it had been in the past. Before it had been a whole lot worse trying to leave the neighborhood. As you can see by our test drive, I was very surprised by how little that transmission leaked over the last couple of weeks and how well it moved out of the driveway. Yeah, it did have some problems shifting here and there, but it was a whole lot better than it was prior to this video. So, with that being said, I think we'll have to say this Lucas oil treatment, it might be worth a shot for $17. Ava, are you gonna be nice? We don't bark at people. Lab assistants don't bark at people, okay? We're out here doing science, and we're not gonna bark at people, okay? Now you tell them people on YouTube, you tell them, be like, make sure to like and subscribe to my dad's videos so we can take this truck to go get food in. All right, so make sure to like and you gonna shake? You gonna pray for him? There you go. So make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, Lucas oil treatment. Just give it a shot if your transmission's having a little bit of trouble. Throw a couple bottles in there, see how you feel about it. I was skeptical at first, but now I'm not. So that's what the science gave us today. So, all right, make sure to get out there and wrench, and I'll see you next time.